Hey everyone, we have this Britannia NutriChoice Digestive hi-fibre biscuit. So let's check it out. This one is 960 gram pack, MRP is 198 and we got it from Amazon for 144. Link is in the description box. Shelf life is 9 months. Inside the pack there are 5 individual packs of 192 gram each. Now let's open and see, and in this one pack there are total 23 biscuits and there are almost no crumbs. All biscuits are intact, no cracks, nothing. Just by looking at the biscuit you can tell that it is made from whole wheat atta. The texture is slightly coarse and the color is also a bit darker than the normal biscuit, and it's proper brown color, medium in size. The main ingredient here is atta, no maida. Fiber is good and there is no trans fat. Texture is like typical digestive biscuit, a bit coarse and gritty, and it's less sweet than normal biscuit. It may feel a bit dry but goes perfect with tea. The taste is decent, no complaint. So I would say that this biscuit is definitely a healthy alternative to normal biscuit. But end of the day, this is a biscuit and biscuit is not a healthy food. It has sugar, palm oil, calories too. So don't eat too many in the name of healthy biscuit. 1 or 2 is fine. So you can definitely try these. Discount is running. Link is in the description box. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.